Hello and welcome to our second mini session, Surpass Challenges and Succeed. My name is Paulette Cunningham, owner and founder of Phenomenal Communications, LLC, talent development that works. We provide workshops, speeches, coaching that help build professional confidence, be it in areas of leadership development, team building, personal growth, customer service delivery, or executive coaching. We help teams and individuals excel. In today's session, we're going to talk about navigating the journey to ensure that we reach our goals. In session 1, don't let your phone upgrade before you do, you looked at developing a prototype of that next great version of yourself. Well, in this session, we talk about how to navigate the challenges and obstacles you may face in traversing to that next great version of you, making sure that you navigate them successfully and you reach your goal. So go ahead, get ready, hit the next video, and jump right in. I'll see you on the other side.